Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you what are the best platforms to promote affiliate products. Basically, if we create content to search engine type platforms, we can get consistent views and followers and finally promote our product with those content. As example, if we create a video for YouTube and optimize that video and upload it to YouTube, that video will never disappear or that video will never become old. Also, that video will exist until YouTube exists in this world. So if someone search something related to our video, YouTube search engine will suggest that video. So after that person check the video, and if we enter affiliate link on the description, there are a high chance to make sales from that video. So this is only one example, but if we create content to non-search engine type platforms, that content will disappear or get older within few hours or few days. As example, if we create content to Instagram account, that content will appear when we publish it, and followers of our Instagram account will engage with that content. But within few hours or within few days, that content will become older and we have to consistently add new content to keep that engagement and promote affiliate products. But if we use search engine type platforms, only we have to do the SEO part of that content. Over time, when our content get older and if it has high engagement and high click-through rate, those search engine type platforms will organically promote our content and show those content on the first result of their search engine platforms. So let's talk about what are the best search engine type platforms to promote affiliate links. On description, I will add related videos to those platforms, so you can use those videos to create account and create content on those platforms. So the first platform is YouTube. As I told before, when you create content to YouTube and optimize those content, you will get consistent result. The second platform is Pinterest. Pinterest is a search engine like YouTube or Google. So if someone add a search term and find something, Pinterest algorithm will show result related to that search term. The third platform is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is also a search engine. That means if you add articles, post and add hashtags to those content, LinkedIn algorithm will organically show your content if someone search a topic related to your content. So fourth platform is Quora. Quora is a Q&A platform, but unfortunately we can't add affiliate links to Quora answers, so we have to create Quora spaces. I have a full video about create Quora spaces. Just check the link on description. So in Quora we can create articles and post. So if we get high engagement to those content, Quora will rank those content on Google search engine. As example, if you search something on Google, most of time you will get the Quora website answers as the first result, because Quora is a website that has high domain authority. The next platform is Medium.com. Medium.com is a platform that you can create articles and publish them. So when you create high quality articles, Medium will rank your articles on search engine, and also Medium will show your content to followers of Medium.com. The next and final platform is blog. You can create your own blog and write high quality articles. Basically, you can find low difficulty keyword and long tail keywords. Then if you have a quality content, your article will rank on the search engines. So those are the platforms that you can use to promote affiliate products and get consistent traffic. But if you try to make money within few months, those platforms will never allow you to do it, because you have to build trust and you have to keep consistent with those platforms. As example, if you create a YouTube channel, you will not get much engagement within few months. At least you have to create high quality and engaging content for 1 year to get some result. Also, you have to put lot of hard work to do this, so those are not easy tasks to build high quality content and promote those content on above mentioned platforms. So you can hire a VA or you can try to create short version of contents to upload those platforms, but it takes time to get results from these search engine type platforms. So I hope you get valuable information in this video, and if you like this video, make sure to like it. If you want this type of content, make sure to subscribe this channel, and I will see you in next video.